Looking for ways to improve SEO on your website? The experts at Modernize My Site can help. Check out these 5 tips to improve your SEO and drive more organic visitors to your site. Theme. Choosing an SEO-friendly theme is vital to the success of your website. Choose a theme that is fast-performing, optimized for every browser, feather-light, and easy to use. Next up, permalinks. Changing permalinks to readable URLs has a minimal impact on your SEO, but earns its place on this list by drastically improving the user experience by making your URLs infinitely more readable and user-friendly. Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs create a path for seamless navigation on your website. This quick change to your website easily improves both SEO and UX. Comments. Enabling and disabling comments on your site is a personal decision, but if you haven't already enabled comments, you may want to keep it that way. Comments with bad spelling or grammar can impact your SEO rankings. Plugins. With plugins, less is more. Overloading your website will slow down your page and kill your UX. Utilized correctly, WordPress is the most SEO-friendly platform. If you're looking for more ways to optimize your website to drive organic traffic to your site and business, we'd love to help. Contact us today at 719-377-2120 or modernizemysite.com.